First of all, let me welcome ma'am. It's my privilege to have Sanjana ma'am here. She is my yoga teacher. I have been under her training for yoga for last 1.5 years so. जब से कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर समवन जो मुझे ऑनलाइन योगा कराए और मेरी हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व हो जाए. आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू लॉट्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, बैक इश्यूज, एंड माई CRP level was very high. Doctor was predicting that I have some serious autoimmune disease, and I'm very happy to tell you that even Sanjana ma'am doesn't know about it, that now it's back to normal. My CRP range has come back to normal. I recently got the checks done. Doctors
That's
could not
great
predict what
news on the yoga day. That's a great
yeah.
news I got to know on this yoga day. I'm glad.
I would like to thank you for that. And the best part is now I'm getting into shape. I was longing for a good hourglass shape, and every day, every month, I check my, the parameters, and I'm very happy to tell that I'm getting a good shape now. So Sanjana ma'am is a big
That's
help
really
to me.
Great.
Yeah, and the best part is, as they say, ki likes, your vibes attract your tribe. So Sanjana ma'am, मुझे अपने लिए मिली थी कि मुझे अपने लिए योगा करना था. But gradually, as we got to know each other, we became very good friends, and we got to know that even she is into prenatal yoga. मैं pregnancy wellness coach बन रही हूँ, and she is into that. So we have done a good collaboration. That अभी मैं जो course launch करने वाली हूँ for pregnant women, which is Wonders Child Launchpad. तो उसमें मैम के ही हम वीडियोस लेने वाले हैं ऑन योगा फॉर प्रीनेटल फॉर प्रेगनेंसी. तो सब वीडियोस मैम ने ही रिकॉर्ड किए हैं, जिसमें वो डे वाइज आपको योगा सिखाएंगी कि हर दिन अलग अलग आसन कैसे करने हैं विद प्रिकॉशंस, किसको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. मैम हैज कवर्ड दैट ऑल वेरी नाइसली इन हर वीडियोस. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट शी टेक्स इट वेरी स्पॉन्टेनियसली. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप उनके क्लास में ऑफलाइन बैठे हैं. जब मैं ऑनलाइन योगा करती हूँ मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता दैट मैं उनकी क्लास में नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज हर ऑब्जर्वेशन इज सो नाइस एंड द वे शी एक्सप्लेन्स इज सो ब्यूटिफुल कि आपको घर बैठे ही बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ सकता है. एंड इफ यू वांट टू जॉइन अ योगा क्लास यू कैन ऑलवेज डू दैट, बट वी हैव कवर्ड दैट इन आवर कोर्स एज वेल विद हर. So that's about her. Yes.
Thank you for your generous words. I have got the same vibes from you, so I think everything is mutual. So it has been a wonderful journey, and it is always great when you have freedom to work. Like I had the complete freedom to shoot whatever content I want to shoot. So when you can give your 100% only when you have the freedom to work. So I feel that I'm blessed to meet you in this journey of prenatal yoga.
Same here. Okay, ma'am. Let's come to the topic now. जो हमने आज international yoga पे topic रखा है. It's about that how women should take care of themselves during pregnancy by doing yoga. तो सबसे पहले आप हमें prenatal yoga के importance समझाइए कि ये आज के टाइम में इतना important क्यों हो गया है. पहले बीच में नहीं था. So why is that so?
Right. So prenatal yoga. So what is prenatal yoga? First is when you are pregnant and you do yoga, that is called prenatal yoga, right? Now, generally we have some myths that prenatal yoga is just doing asanas, and sometimes people are, I don't want to do these asanas during pregnancy, or so yoga is basically not only prenatal yoga, but yoga itself. It's not just doing asanas or not just doing pranayams. It is a lot more. It is your entire lifestyle. Prenatal yoga helps us that not only your own life, but you are putting the seed of this yogic lifestyle in the soul that is, or in the soul and the body both, that is going to arrive in your family. So this virtue, giving the child this virtue of inculcating this lifestyle of doing yoga, starting your day with vyayam, with pranayam, and thinking good, thinking positive. That is one aspect that prenatal yoga should be done, that you are nurturing your baby from the womb itself. Right. The second aspect is many times during pregnancy it happens because we are turning a life around. Some entire organism like you yourself is being made in your body. So that's not less than a rocket science. I always tell that being a mother is not less than rocket science, right? So there are a lot of hormonal changes happening in your body which might give you some back pain or aches and pains in your body, some joint pains, some breathlessness. It's all you can call a symptom of pregnancy. ये हर एक pregnant women को होता ही है, so you're not different from that. So it helps in coping up with all these symptoms of pregnancy, gives you more stamina, helps in increasing your immunity because you cannot be taking lots of medications, right, without asking your doctor. So it will in general help your immunity and your strength. In general, pranayams will help lengthen your breath, so you will feel less tired. So in general, it will make your entire pregnancy not like you feel like a patient, but you feel more active than you used to feel earlier. So that is why I feel
actually this is the only time when
so important.
Patient. It's the only time when one is not a patient. This is something to be cherished. And to not feel at all that you are a patient. It's a beautiful journey that we are into. Creating another being is a beautiful journey. Patient but तो अपने लिए होना ही नहीं चाहिए.
Yes, definitely. Because what you feel, your baby is going to act accordingly. Your baby can feel what you're feeling. So more happier you are, more healthier you are. I think you can give your maximum to your baby.
Right. So ma'am, like there are certain myths also regarding exercise and yoga during pregnancy, whether one should do or not do. Like I have heard older people and sisters saying you should take more of rest. So how much true is that? Should we not do like
right? See, that kind they were true in their times, right? Now earlier the food consumption was, the quality was completely different. The lifestyle was very different. There was a lot of work that the women did in the house itself. So the rest, the other part of the day, they should rest because you should not be overdoing anything. Now in our lifestyle, we have several agencies to work for us at home. We are not doing much. Many of us are now working with our laptops or using the cell phones often for our professional or career life. So all that exposure has increased and the physical activity has reduced. Now people are undergoing several health issues also nowadays, much more than earlier. So the first 3 months, we take a lot of care that we do not do any exercise, we do not do any strenuous movements. So those 3 months make your body even more stiff than it was before pregnancy, right? So it is so this myth कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, वो I would like to counter it, that it is not that just stress, because then it will be just stress the whole day, because working on the laptop, you're just using your mind. You're not using your body. Also, it is not just using mind mindfully. Sometimes you become more stressed also. So there is mental stress and less of physical activity. So that is a myth that you should be resting. Yes, you should do physical activity. You can do walking, you can do asanas, you can do pranayams. In general, remaining active throughout the day, not only that 1 hour of yoga and pranayam will definitely help you. So that everyone should understand during pregnancy, I feel.
Yeah, and I would say that it's very important to listen to one's body. Like when we do yoga with you, you always let us be in our space. कोई exercise हमसे नहीं होती तो you don't force कि करना ही है. But when you see कि हमारा caliber इतना develop हो गया, then you push us. That's a great thing. That's as a mentor, that's your job. But अगर आपसे कुछ किसी particular day you are not able to do certain things, then one should not push oneself, isn't it? Does it go for pregnancy also?
Definitely. And you have to consult your gynaec first before you start this. And you have to listen to your body. It's not that yoga just has asanas or just has strenuous breathing exercises. It has breathing exercises that will calm your mind, that will calm your body. You have to listen to your body. We also have mudras. We also have meditation. We have yoga nidra. So even there are mudras when someone is recommended a bed rest or someone has a stitch. Even then, those mudras can give you all. That is a holistic approach, physical, spiritual, and mental benefit just by doing a mudra. So there is so much that you can do in yoga. So even if you have some limitation, there is a lot more that you can do than you cannot do. So everyone can do. I think yoga is for everyone. It is a union of your mind and your body. So it has to be done for everyone.
And it's not that strenuous. You don't feel, you've done a lot of hard work and laborious thing and your body pains all day long. Nothing like that. Rather, your body is at ease all day long. And there's certain things about hormones also. They say that good hormones are released when you do yoga or such meditation kind of thing. Tell us more about that.
Yes, yes, definitely, yes. So this was about yoga and the pregnancy. Now you are since a while you are into Garbh Sanskar. So could you please tell us something about Garbh Sanskar?
Right. Well, Garbh Sanskar means, Garbh means womb, and Sanskar means your traits, your habits. So you as a mother have a great chance कि आप अपने गर्भ में ही बच्चे को अच्छे संस्कार दे सके. हम जनरली ये सोचते हैं कि जब बच्चा बॉर्न होगा तब हम उसको सब सिखाएंगे, स्कूल पढ़ाएंगे, एजुकेशन देंगे, जो हमें अच्छी एजुकेशन एज अ पेरेंट खुद देनी है वो हम इम्पार्ट करेंगे. बट द बेस्ट टाइम टू डू दैट इज इन योर वूम. इट इज साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन कि बच्चे की जो रिसेप्टिविटी है वो 10 लाख टाइम ज्यादा होती है एज कम्पेयर टू अ बॉर्न चाइल्ड, क्योंकि उसके भी न्यूरॉन्स डेवलप हो रहे हैं. तो उनका जो आपस में इंटरकनेक्शन होता है, सिनेप्सेस होते हैं, वो बहुत स्ट्रांगली बन सकते हैं अगर आप उन पे अभी से वर्क करें. So this is an ancient science. 5,000 years ago it has existed. साउथ में ऐसे मंदिर मिले हैं जहाँ पे ऐसी पिक्चर्स मिली है जहाँ पे फर्टिलिटी के बारे में दिखाया गया है. और गर्भ उपनिषद 5,000 years old एक हमारा स्क्रिप्चर है जिसके अंदर गर्भ संस्कार के बारे में मेंशन किया है. और अब जाकर साइंस उन सब चीजों को प्रूव कर रही है. तो वी आर लकी कि जो हमारे इंडिया में ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट करता था अब वो वापस आ रहा है. वी आर बिकमिंग अवेयर ऑफ इट. It's there that we believe more in science now because we have grown up in this British education system. जब तक कुछ scientifically prove नहीं होता हमें लगता है ये तो सब waste है. We are not, unless and until we have a logic behind it, we don't do some certain things because our mind is conditioned accordingly. But now Garbh Sanskar has been proven scientifically. So I am coming up with a course on this for pregnant women, जिसमें आपको ये सब कुछ सिखाया जाएगा कि आप अपनी कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज डे में कैसे करें, आप अपने लाइफस्टाइल को कैसे मॉडिफाई करें, सो दैट यू डू अ होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ योर चाइल्ड एंड डू योर प्रेगनेंसी केयर वेल. आप अपने आप को नेग्लेक्ट नहीं कर सकते इस टाइम पे. तो अपनी केयर के साथ साथ बच्चे की बेस्ट पॉसिबल डेवलपमेंट और किस तरह का बच्चा आप चाहते हैं, जो भी क्वालिटीज आप अपने बेबी में डेवलप करना चाहते हैं वो आप अभी कर सकते हैं. इफ यू नो अबाउट साइना नेहवाल, मैंने अभी रिसेंटली उनकी मूवी देखी थी साइना नेहवाल पे, एंड उनके स्टार्टिंग सीन में यही था कि उसकी मदर जब वो प्रेग्नेंट थी शी यूज्ड टू प्ले बैडमिंटन. शी वाज अ बैडमिंटन प्लेयर अर्लियर एट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, और जब वो प्रेग्नेंट थी उस टाइम पे भी वो खेलती थी. एंड यू नो देन साइना नेहवाल इज अ चैंपियन. सेम गोज फॉर विश्वनाथन आनंद. विश्वनाथन की मदर जब वो प्रेग्नेंट थी वो रेगुलर चेस खेलती थी और वो दोनों साइड से खेलती थी, ओपोनेंट साइड से भी खुद खेलती थी. She used to get up, change her chair, sit that side, and used to play. So family members used to say, "What are you doing? Why are you putting so much of pressure on yourself? Take rest, आराम से लेट जाओ." So she used to say, "Shh, be quiet. Me and my child are playing." And now you see, Vishwanathan Anand is our champion. ऐसे बहुत सारे हमारे टाइम के, अभी के मैं बात करूँ तो बहुत सारे APJ अब्दुल कलाम, such people have existed. अब ये सब क्यों है? क्योंकि उनकी मदर्स ने ध्यान दिया. अगर उनकी मदर्स इस टाइम पे पूरा फोकस रखें, आई एम नॉट सेइंग फादर्स का भी बहुत बड़ा रोल है, ऐसा नहीं है फादर्स का रोल नहीं है, पर मदर का रोल ज्यादा है एज द चाइल्ड इज इन योर वूम. सो यू आर द आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ योर चाइल्ड. अगर आप इस टाइम पे अवेयर हो जाएं और अपना बेस्ट पॉसिबल इस टाइम पे दे दें तो आपकी लाइफ बाद में बहुत ईजी होने वाली है. यू मस्ट बी सीइंग कि आसपास के बच्चे जब होते हैं तो मैंने बहुत पेरेंट्स को ऐसा वर्ड यूज करते देखा है, ये बोलते देखा कि बच्चे खून पीते हैं. I've literally heard these words from parents saying कि बच्चे खून पीते हैं, and it is really heartbreaking कि बच्चे खून नहीं पीते. But they must be going through certain, such kind of situations which make them say so. ऐसा नहीं है कोई ऐसे ही अपने बच्चे के लिए कोई नहीं बोलता है, तो कुछ वो फील करते हैं तभी वो बोलते हैं. But I would say that I am blessed. मुझे अपना बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस अपने बच्चे के साथ होता है. She is my friend. उसको मैं अपना सुख दुख का साथी बोलती हूँ. मेरी हर सुख दुख में वो हमेशा मेरे साथ है. धीरे धीरे फ्रेंड्स छूट जाते हैं, दूर हो गए मेरे सब फ्रेंड्स. आई एम बेसिकली फ्रॉम दिल्ली, सो ऑल आर देयर आई एम इन टच ऑन व्हाट्सएप, बट अदरवाइज रियल टाइम फ्रेंड्स आई डोंट हैव एज ऑफ नाउ. एंड फैमिली सब इधर उधर हो जाते हैं, सब दूर. व्हेन यू आर मैरिड यू आर इनटू योर ओन डोमेन. विद वन पर्सन हु इज ऑलवेज देयर विद मी इज माय डॉटर. उसका इमोशनल क्वेश्चन इतना ज्यादा है, एंड थैंक गॉड आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट गर्भ संस्कार व्हेन आई वाज प्रेग्नेंट. इट वाज एट दैट टाइम आई गॉट टू नो, आई डिड इट. और उसका मुझे इतना ज्यादा बेनिफिट आज मिलता है कि आई फील रियली ब्लेस्ड. आई फील सो ब्लेस्ड एंड आई थैंक गॉड एवरी डे फॉर दिस. आई हैव जस्ट वन डॉटर एंड ऐसे एक बच्चा मेरा 10 के बराबर है. मैं कोई ब्रैग नहीं कर रही अपने बच्चे के बारे में. If you see my child,
No, that's
whoever
great. I have seen your videos. I have seen Khushi's videos, and I like yesterday only saw her videos singing a song for her father. I think she must be 2 years at that time.
2 years, exactly 2 years,
right?
yeah.
And she was so clear in her expressions, and her speech was also so clear.
Perfectly.
Many times kids, like I have heard people saying कि बच्चा क्या बोलता है वो उसकी मम्मा को ही पता चलता है, मुझे तो पता नहीं चलता.
Right.
But I have felt that is what I learned also when I did Garb Sanskar when I was pregnant. That there are particular things that you do, and you feel you can see clarity in the kids' speech, clarity in their thoughts. They are more focused, they are more calm. Like I would take this opportunity to share my experience also. My son is 4 now. And I was lucky enough, one of my very close friends recommended me Garb Sanskar, and I was very excited about it. I got to know about it when I was in 4th month. लेकिन अभी ऐसा होता है कि अगर शायद pre-conception से पता होता तो I would have reached even more shoots. You know, we are sometimes we don't get enough of something. But he's so calm, he's so focused. He loves cars. So sometimes I feel that he does not disturb me. He has just a few cars and he just keep on playing with them. And you just, like just now also I told him that I would be busy for a while. And yes, he's playing with his dada and he's very comfortable with that. So it is easier to teach them good virtues. It is not that we are neglecting them. But they need to teach, we need to teach them multitasking like we are doing. And why not to teach them from childhood? Why not to teach them from when they are born or even before then when they are born? If you can see so good food from the kids. And I think they react even much faster and better than the elder ones in our family. So I feel really blessed to have done Garb Sanskar during my pregnancy.
Now see, this is a great coincidence. When I met ma'am, I didn't know anything about her. Even she has raised a Garb Sanskari child. So this is wonderful that we have found a like-minded person who is there on a platform with us. And I feel very blessed that universe is so great that अपने आप ही हमें ऐसे लोग मिलते चले जाते हैं हमारी लाइफ की जर्नी में जो हमारे जैसा सोचते हैं. So it's a beautiful coincidence.
I would like to share one of my ma'am who taught me Garb Sanskar. She always tells me, I always feel grateful to have met people like her, you. I feel connected with so many people. So she always tells me that you attract your own vibe automatically time to time. And then you keep meeting people who are like you. So just keep being positive and keep going and you will meet more people who are like you. So I think it has always been a blessing for me doing prenatal yoga and doing Garb Sanskar, both. Yes, Payal, you would like to share something more about your course that you're going to recently launch? I think that includes Garb Sanskar as well as prenatal yoga, right? Yes, Sonali ji, thank you. Thank you for your views.
We are going to cover everything about pregnancy care, about your diet, about your emotional care. Emotional care ऐसी चीज है जो जल्दी लोग छोड़ देते हैं. You are in stress and anxiety, we understand. वैसे भी ये कोविड का टाइम है and there is lot of stress otherwise. एक नॉर्मल इंसान जो प्रेग्नेंट नहीं भी है वो भी बहुत स्ट्रेस और एंग्जाइटी से गो थ्रू करता है. एंड आप किसी से भी पूछिए कि मैं क्या करूँ, दे आर क्लूलेस कि क्या करना चाहिए. So I have covered that very well in my course because I feel कि इमोशनली इंसान अगर satisfied है, अगर वो happy feel कर रहा है, तभी वो एक happy child raise कर सकता है. So I cover in my course about diet and I cover more about sattvic diet, like emotional care, all care that you need, self-care in general, all care that you need, and specifically it is more about how to make your child well developed intellectually, emotionally, socially and spiritually. एंड मॉरली. स्पिरिचुअली और मॉरली अगर बच्चा बहुत अच्छे से आपकी वूम में डेवलप हो जाएगा ना, तो उसको आगे बॉर्न होने के बाद हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि आजकल के बच्चे, जो हम आजकल के बच्चों के लिए बोलते हैं कि आजकल के बच्चे तो ऐसे हैं और आजकल के बच्चे तो वैसे हैं, तो वो कमेंट्स आपके बच्चे के लिए नहीं आने वाली क्योंकि आपका बच्चा बाकी बच्चों से अलग दिखने वाला है. एंड दैट्स ट्रू. ऑल गर्ल्स एंड चिल्ड्रन स्टैंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम अदर्स. दे आर सीन अपार्ट. दूसरों को फर्क दिखता है. रिसेंटली मेरी खुशी की एक फ्रेंड की मदर से बात हुई and she's into certain noble cause. So मैंने उनको इसलिए contact किया that what are you doing? So I want to know more about it so that I can also contribute in certain way because I want to do some kind of service always. So she told about all that and she asked कि खुशी कौन से section में है ना, and we got to know कि दोनों बच्चे एक ही section में हैं. And then she said, oh, I know Khushi so well. I have noticed her in the class. She sits very calmly, attends class so nicely. एक बार उनका fancy dress competition था, and unfortunately I had to go to doctor. So she managed to dress up on her own, independently. मैंने dress उसका ready कर लिया था, but she wore it herself. Now parents have noticed this. Someone whom I never met has noticed this, and she was commenting about Khushi. I felt so happy that people can notice that. Those things are very much. I'm not telling about anything about that. The person herself is saying कि उस बच्चे में self dependency दिखती है. So this is the best part about Garbasins का. तो जो मैं अभी कोर्स लॉन्च कर रही हूँ, मैं वो जुलाई में लॉन्च करूंगी और उसमें मैं उसको एक बीटा ग्रुप कोचिंग करके एक प्रोग्राम लॉन्च करने वाली हूँ. वैसे कोर्स 2 लेवल्स में होने वाला है, लेवल 1 एंड लेवल 2, जिसका फीस मैं अराउंड लेवल 1 का 3000 और लेवल 2 का 5000 रखने वाली हूँ. तो इन टोटल इट इज गोइंग टू बी 8000, जिसमें हम पूरा कोर्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग कॉन्सेप्ट विद इम्प्लीमेंटेशन सिखाते हैं. पर अभी जुलाई में जब मैं ये लॉन्च करी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, उसका फीस मैं सिर्फ 500 रुपीज रख रही हूँ, ओनली फॉर अप टू 20 पीपल, जिसमें मैं सिर्फ 20 लोगों को लेने वाली हूँ. एंड इट विल बी अ ग्रुप कोचिंग प्रोग्राम वेयर यू विल गेट मोर ऑफ पर्सनल अटेंशन. So this is the program that I'm going to launch. If you are interested, I'm going to give you the details in the next post and the upcoming post. You will get the link of it, and that is how we are going to go about it.
Yes, that would be great. I feel this idea of taking the first 20 people. I think it would be motivational for many of them who are looking for something like this, but have no clue about what to do, but they are very keen on doing it. So that's a really good idea, I feel.
Yeah, since it is my first course and I'm launching for the first time, that's why मैंने इसका फीस ना के बराबर रखा है. और 500 रुपीज भी रखने का पर्पस यही है कि सीरियस लोग आए, जो लोग एक्चुअली इंटरेस्टेड हैं करने में. सिर्फ ठीक है कुछ फ्री है कर लेते हैं, then it is not going to help you. If you are not going to put in your best, क्योंकि आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. मैं एक बार कोर्स डिलीवर कर दूंगी, बट यू वुड हैव टू वर्क एवरी डे. आपको अपने लाइफस्टाइल में चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे, आपको अपनी लाइफ को बेटर बनाना पड़ेगा. जो बैड हैबिट्स है उनको छोड़कर गुड हैबिट्स डेवलप करनी पड़ेंगी, तभी आपके बच्चे में अच्छे संस्कार रहेंगे. और आप इस जर्नी में बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे जो शायद आपने पहले कभी नहीं किया है. मे बी आपने गीता कभी नहीं पढ़ी होगी. आई एम गोइंग टू कवर इवन दैट. गीता को भी स्पेसिफिकली एनहांस करेंगे, क्योंकि मैं बच्चों में स्पिरिचुअलिटी चाहती हूँ, और इस टाइम पे हमने डेवलप कर ली तो बच्चों में तो अपने आप ही आ जाएगी. सो वी हैव टू वर्क फर्स्ट ऑन आवरसेल्फ एंड देन आवर चिल्ड्रन विल लर्न बाय एंड बाय. तो बाद में बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा कि जाओ मंदिर में जाके जोत जगाओ, चलो मंदिर चलते हैं. आजकल के बच्चे मंदिर जाना पसंद नहीं करते क्योंकि पेरेंट्स ही बहुत समझाते हैं. Isn't it? So, those things will not happen.
Gives you positivity that should be followed by you and your kids. Anything that can be anything.
आप कहीं भी मंदिर चले जाए, पर आप अपने घर में बैठकर भी आप मेडिटेट कर लें, आप रेगुलरली गॉड के टच में रहे, तो आपको अच्छी वाइब्रेशन खुद ही आनी स्टार्ट हो जाती है. एंड अल्टीमेटली हर रिलीजन का पर्पस यही है कि आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन गॉड के साथ हो. सो दैट विल डेवलप फॉरएवर.
That's great.
All right.
Great to know about what you're going to cover in the course.
Thank you. And we have covered. Sanjana ma'am has done her job. उन्होंने अपने videos already record कर दिए हैं. Which I would. वैसे वो मैं level 2 में लेने वाली हूँ जो मैम ने किया है. But इसमें मैं level 1, level 2 को साथ में ही देने वाली हूँ, जो मैं ग्रुप कोचिंग प्रोग्राम अभी आपको बता रही हूँ जिसके बारे में. ये पूरा प्रोग्राम level 1, level 2 जो कि actually 8000 का है, वो सारा का सारा 500 रुपीज में मैं आप इस ग्रुप को देना चाहूंगी जो इसके लिए एनरोल. So if you're interested, you can DM me about it. I can forward you all the details.
Yes, that would be great. I think there would be many people who would be interested. So yes, hope to see you guys all personally soon. And thank you so much for joining us today. Happy International Yoga Day to all of you. And we wish that just like we both are just reaping the fruits of what we have got from yoga as well as from Garb Sanskar. I think this motivation and this thought spreads to more and more people through you guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to have you, ma'am, and it's my pleasure to have all of you here. This is my first Instagram live, and I'm seeing so many people here. So it's wonderful. It's really, encouraging that we have pulled off it really well. So thanks to all of you for being here. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
See you. Bye. Bye. Bye, everyone.